Hello students, we are going to learn science and technology for first of standard 10th chapter number 2, which is periodic classification of elements. First of all, we have to see today's contents. Today's contents are such as modern periodic table and electronic configuration of elements, characteristics of groups and periods. Third one, groups and electronic configuration. Next, do you know knowledge box? And next, in the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table, a clear image of modern periodic table. Periods and electronic configuration. Modern periodic table and electronic configuration of elements. Within a period, the neighboring elements differ slightly in their properties, while distant elements differ widely in their properties. Elements in the same group show similarity and gradation in their properties. These characteristics of the groups and periods in the modern periodic table are because of the electronic configuration of the elements. It is the electronic configuration of an element which decides the group and the period in which it is to be placed. Characteristics of groups and periods. The characteristics of the groups and periods in the periodic table are understood by comparison of the properties of the elements. Various properties of all elements in a group show similarity and gradation. The properties of elements change slowly while going from one end to other, for example from left to right in a particular period. Groups and electronic configuration. Write the electronic configuration of the first four elements of group 1. Answer is hydrogen, whose electronic configuration is 1. Lithium, electronic configuration is 2, 1. Sodium, electronic configuration 281, and potassium 2881. Second question, which similarity do you find in electronic configuration? Answer is all the elements of group 1 have single electron in their outermost shell. Groups and electronic configuration. The number of valence electrons in all these elements from the group 1 is 1. That is, the family of alkali metals is the same. You can see in figure what are the elements in group 1. The elements beryllium, magnesium and calcium belong to the group 2, that is the family of alkaline earth metals. There are 2 electrons in their outermost shell. There are 7 electrons in the outermost shell of the elements such as fluorine and chlorine from the group 17, that is the family of halogens. You can see in this figure. While going from top to bottom within any group, one electronic shell gets added at a time. From this we can say that the electronic configuration of the outermost shell is characteristic of a particular group. However, as we go down a group, the number of shells goes on increasing. Let us a new point. Do you know the figure of element which is which you can see in this on the screen, that is uranium, whose atomic number is 92. All the elements beyond uranium with atomic numbers 93 to 118 are man-made. All these elements are radioactive and unstable and have a very short life. You can see that is in the figure. In the modern periodic table, elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic numbers. Virtual columns are called groups. There are 18 groups. The chemical properties of the elements in the same group show similarity and gradation. Horizontal rows are called periods. There are in all 7 periods. The properties of elements change slowly from one end to the other in a period. How is the modern periodic table? Periodic table of the elements is shown as on the screen. Periods and electronic configuration. While going from left to right within the period, the atomic number increases by 1 at a time and the number of valence electrons also increases by 1 at a time. You can see by arrow diagram, arrow format, atomic number increases by 1. The elements in the second period, namely lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and neon, have electrons in the two shells K and L. Second periods are two shells. The elements in the third period, namely sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon, have electrons in the three shells K, L, and M. Electron capacity of electron cells. How is the electron capacity of electron cells? In the first cell K, electron capacity is 2. In cell L, electronic capacity is 8. In cell M, electrons capacity 18. In cell N, electron capacity is 32. As for the electron holding capacity of cells, elements are present in the first period is 2 and 8 elements in the second period. The third period also contains only 8 elements due to the law of electron octet.